Advancement staff can use the link generator to create links directing donors to specific funds on giveto.ucsd.edu. This video will review how to create unique links using the link generator. Before using the link generator, we recommend having the following information: the appeal code from ESP, if applicable. You can search for an appeal code using the Marketing and Communications tab in ESP. The fund information from ESP, if applicable. You can search for a fund using the Fundraising tab in ESP. If you do not have the fund information from ESP, you can also search for the fund using the link generator. You can include up to 10 funds on a single page. To begin, log into the link generator site using your Active Directory credentials. You will see the option to generate a link with an appeal code only or to search for a fund. If you only want to track your marketing efforts and do not want to include specific funds, select the checkbox next to Appeal Code Only, No Fund. Enter the appeal code in the text box. You can also select the drop-down menu to view all active appeal codes. Select the Generate Link button. The link will appear below. Select Copy Link to share the page. You can also paste the copied link in your browser to see the page. If you would like to update the link with a new appeal code, select a new appeal code and select Update Link. If you would like to include a fund with or without an appeal code, leave the Appeal Code Only, No Fund checkbox unchecked. Under Fund Search, enter a fund number or name in the text box. Then select the magnifying glass icon to search. Your fund details will appear below. Select Add Fund. If you would like to add additional funds, select Add Another Fund and enter the information for the additional funds. You can click and drag the funds to change the order in which they appear. As you are creating your link, you can refer to the live preview on the right side of your screen to see what the site will look like. The live preview updates in real time. The Include Appeal Code checkbox will be checked by default. If you have an appeal code, enter it in the text box. You can also select the drop-down menu to view all active appeal codes. If the appeal code you need isn't listed, email giving@ucsd.edu to request a new code. If you do not have an appeal code, uncheck the Include Appeal Code checkbox. It is strongly encouraged that you use an appeal code whenever possible so that the donation will be tracked in ESP with your marketing effort. If you would like to add custom gift amounts, select the Add Custom Giving Levels checkbox. Enter 1 to 6 amounts in the text boxes. The minimum gift amount allowed is $5 and the maximum is $99,999. If you leave this checkbox unchecked, the gift amounts will default to $50, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,500. If you would like to add a header to your page, select the Add a Custom Header checkbox and enter the header in the text box. If you leave the checkbox unchecked, the page will generate with the default header Fund Search with no description. If you would like to add a description to your page, select the Add a Custom Description checkbox and enter the description in the checkbox. You can only add a custom description if you have a custom header. If you leave the checkbox unchecked, the page will generate without a description. Select the Generate Link button. Your link will appear below. Select Copy Link to share the page. You can paste the copied link in your browser to see the page. If you would like to make changes to the page, make your desired edits and select Update Link. You can only update your link in the current browser session. If you close the window or if the session expires, you will not be able to update your link. You can now generate custom links using the link generator. If you have any questions, contact advancementtraining@ucsd.edu.